Hello again, my friends. Today I am so excited because I went shopping. As most of you know, I'm sure you've heard, seen it on someone else's video, that Sephora is doing their VIB sale that they do every fall time. They do it twice a year. This year they did an extra one as a customer appreciation event. So last weekend I went shopping. I got my 20% off, and that was the first tier. This weekend coming, they're also doing 20% off for a different level and for all Rouge VIBs. So I did all my shopping. I am going to buy one more thing next weekend, and that will be the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, which I'm really excited for. As for the rest of the items that I bought, I thought I would show you today. And that will be all that I'm purchasing, which is plenty. I have never tried Charlotte Tilbury, so I did jump on the bandwagon and used this 20% off opportunity to try a bunch of her products, and I'm wearing a lot of them today, and I'm so happy that I purchased them and get to try them out because so far they are pretty darn good. So I'm going to just start it right in and show you everything that I purchased. Now, one of the things that I've been seeing around and really wanting, not sure if I should purchase. I have a lot of shades that are similar. I have a lot of her other palettes, but I decided to go for it. And I bought the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. This is the unit carton. Beautiful, same look as the actual palette, which I have right here. Look at that packaging. This is limited edition. It's a holiday release, so it will not be available forever. You open it up, and here are all of the beautiful, beautiful shades that you get. I mean, that is just stunning. I am wearing it on my eyes today, and I absolutely love the look. I just went in with Birch here for my transition, and then I took a little slate in my outer corner and through my crease a little bit, and then Cyborg on my lid, and then I went in with Pearl up here on the inner corner of my eyes. So far, I am absolutely loving this palette. Again, like I said, I wasn't sure if I was going to purchase it, but then I said, you know what? I can't stop thinking about it. I really want this palette. I'm going to. 20% off, now's the time. And that is it for eyeshadows. Of course, like I said, next weekend I will be purchasing the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, which I'm really excited for. And I'm hoping to do a video swatching it and maybe showing you how the eyeshadows apply. Now, as I was saying, Charlotte Tilbury, yes, I did go a little crazy. You know these boxes when you see them. I have an overabundance now of Charlotte Tilbury in my makeup collection, and I couldn't be happier. Now, a lot of the products I bought from her line are face products. I wanted to try this Light Wonder Youth Boosting Perfect Skin Foundation. I bought it in shade 3 Fair. It's a dewy finish, and it's a very light foundation, and I don't typically wear a lot of foundation. If I do, I like it to be a very light coverage or tinted moisturizer, BB CC cream, that type of thing. So I'm wearing this, and it feels like I'm not wearing any foundation. I think that the finish is very beautiful and natural. And to go with that, I wanted to try this, her Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I also got this in 1 Fair. I try to stay away from setting powders. I mean, I have to use them. If I'm wearing a foundation, I go in with a light coverage, you know, to keep it in place all day. And also, I love concealer. I wear concealer more than I wear probably most makeup products. And I wanted a pressed powder that I could lightly set my concealer with. And I love any type of powder that gives you an airbrushed look. So I did go ahead and pick this up, and I'm trying it out, and so far so good. A lot of people rave about this powder, so I had to try it. So now I have a pressed powder for setting my under eyes in my collection. 2 more Charlotte Tilbury products I purchased are the contour wand and the highlighting wand. So this contour wand, it's an easy contour. It's a, you know, cream contour, and I just kind of put it on under my cheekbone, blended it in. I purchased it in the Fair Medium shade, and then the highlighter I'm also wearing today. This was sold out on Sephora's website, so I googled it and I found this awesome website called Net Porter. Net Porter, I believe it's called. Net Porter. I paid just under $30, and this retails for $38, and it's not in the U.S. I had it 2 days after ordering it. Their packaging is divine. Let me just show you. So yes, this I actually didn't buy for the Sephora VIB sale, but this is their packaging, and they don't charge you extra. And it was free shipping too. This website so far is really good. It's it sells luxury brand products. So you might want to check it out. I just happened to stumble upon it, and I was really, really impressed with their setup and their shipping and everything like that, their presentation. And I feel that this was, the highlighter wand, Charlotte Tilbury, was less expensive. So, but I didn't go digging too deep on the website, but I know that the other things that I did happen to see seem to be, you know, retail price across the board. But anyway, Net A Porter. Net A Porter is the name of it. It says on the box. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. So the other 2 Charlotte Tilbury products I purchased were for the lips. I really wanted to try one of her lip liners. So I did purchase the shade Iconic Nude. That's a very popular shade. It's just a beautiful nude color. I feel like this will go good with most lipsticks in my collection. A little closer. And then a lipstick. I purchased the, what is it? A lipstick in the shade Bitch Perfect, which I was seeing all over the place when I was researching, trying to figure out what shade I wanted to buy, and it's the color I'm wearing. It's a really nice nude. I feel like it's peachy, but it has a little bit of pink. It just kind of can go both ways. And that's what that looks like swatched. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful formula. I feel, my lips feel very comfortable. So that is everything that I got for Charlotte Tilbury. I did purchase a couple of other lip products because winter's coming. So, you know, I wanted the lip treatment. I want to make sure I'm always wearing lip balm and keep them, you know, from being dry and flaky. So I purchased one of the Fresh Sugars lip treatments, and these do have a sunscreen. And then I got the shade Poppy. I think it's just perfect to throw on even if you're not wearing makeup, and it just adds a little bit of color and life. And then I purchased this, the Boom Boom Brazilian Kiss. This is so good. I love this lip butter. This will be a repurchase. I'll probably always, always purchase this because it just feels so comfortable on the lips. It smells so good. It feels good. I love everything about this, so I'm really glad I purchased this one. I did also purchase 2 concealers. I purchased the Bendy Avocado Concealer by First Aid. I had been wanting to try this. I have not tried it yet because the one I tried today is the other one that I purchased, the Josie Maran Vibrancy. And both in fair. Yeah, I usually typically go for fair in concealers, and this one so far I feel like it feels comfortable and it looks nice and has a nice finish. I have dry skin, so I try to go for the hydrating concealers. Now the last thing I purchased is a single eyeshadow. It's Marc Jacobs, one of his new Sequins Glam Glitter eyeshadows. I love single shadows like this, like the ones by Hourglass, the new ones, the shimmer or scattered lights. Those are beautiful. So I wanted to try one of these out. They are pricey, so that when you have the 20% off, it's definitely a good time to buy it. The container just looks so bougie, so beautiful and luxurious. And then this is in the shade Gleam Girl. So it'll have the little stopper because there is some loose, you know, it's like a loose glitter. And then you swatch it. That's what it looks like. And blend it out a little bit for you. But yeah, it has the stopper because there is a loose glitter there. But I just think it's so beautiful. I love single eyeshadows like this, but they are pricey. But look at that. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it. So that is everything. I just wanted to share with you guys the purchases that I made and tell you about that website that I found with the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter wand that's sold out on the Sephora website. I've heard a lot of good things about. I purchased on that site for just under $30, free shipping, beautiful packaging. I wanted to tell you about it because I was just, I couldn't believe it. I thought it was such a great deal, and I'm really happy with all of my purchases. I've tried most of it today. I was just really excited and wanted to share it with you guys. So the last thing I'll buy next weekend when the sale starts is the Huda Beauty Nude palette, because that's not really, well, it's available on the website now, but it's not available at Sephora until Thursday, and then the second tier of the VIB sale starts Friday, so Friday I'm going to purchase it, and then I'm going to do a video for you guys showing you that palette, see what you think. see what I think. Really excited for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!